excited. What are we excited about?
Because we waited a few days and the whole year at least for this new one. So yeah.
We got it! This one is the unboxing of the one that we got from
Apple website.
Apple website. So if you're interested with that, go check this out. Okay, so we waited for a week. We ordered this one last week. Show yours, baby, too. He's so excited about it. So he already opened it, and we're using it right now just to show you how nice it is.
And at least now I know how to use it before to show you. So
yes, so that's good. So now I'm going to open mine today, and then he already explored his.
So I will not pretend to have the same emotion like the first time. So that's why it's interesting to see Carlo.
So now I'm so excited about this one. Thank you for the Christmas gift. The early Christmas gift, right? So explain them what happened with this one, and then how did we order it, pre-order and stuff like that.
We follow the smart process of Sebastian. It's to pay with the Apple card, like that we have 3% of cashback. It's like how much? Like $40 in cashback if you pay with this card. So that's really good, and we applied for 24 months at 0%. So it's really like $45 per month monthly payment, so it's really lighter.
And then what line did you use?
And also I did the trade-in, that's the name, no?
Yes.
For switch with my old phone.
So his he did a trade in. Mine, no. We have the 10 right now. So, and then this one is the new
12 Pro Max.
So this is the Apple 12 Pro Max. Ta-da!
And because we use the iCloud, we decided just to take the 128 gigas.
Do you know what color this is? So if you know any guesses, comment below, and then yeah. Ta-da-da-da! Ta-da! What color is this one?
Pacific Blue.
This is the Pacific Blue. Wow, it's so huge. So in this box, you will have, of course, the phone, and then there you go. He's gonna model that, and then also the design, the design by Apple. I think this is the pin to get to remove the SIM card. So yeah, and then of course you get the sticker, so the Apple sticker. So that's that, and then this one comes with the just the cord. There's no charger at all.
The cable of the charger.
Yeah, the cable. So yeah, so that's it. Nothing more. Nothing more. Is there more in there? There's nothing. So that's that. And then now we're gonna explore this one. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, look at this. Crazy. It's huge compared to, where's the other phone, baby? So this is the 10, and this is the Apple Pro. So that's how much big it is. It's humongous. Like, there you go. Wow, that's crazy. And then the thickness of it. So yeah, and then yeah, we're gonna give you the features of this one once we use it all throughout this week. And then, but at this point in time, we are using his Apple Pro Max with this video. So that's why we're gonna see the quality of it already. You see my wrinkles already and stuff like that. It was showing. So yeah. So what can you say about this one, baby? Because he did a lot of research already, and he will tell you.
No, I'm not a professional, but just here is the surgical metal on the side. So it's really like shiny.
Oh yeah, that's true.
The inconvenience of that, I heard, it's you have easily the print
Mm-hmm.
like fix it here.
Oh.
So yeah, that's just the only inconvenient. Under that you have really more battery than the iPhone X we have.
Mm-hmm.
The display is bigger, and also for my phone it was a not official display because I broke it.
Ah.
So now I will be really happy to enjoy the
So,
good
yeah.
one.
Ta-da!
And we heard also is the sound when we watch a video.
Yes, so the sound of this one is so nice, crisp, and so loud. You're kind of like watching a movie at the theater, so which is really nice. And then the video quality of it, and then it does have the three cameras in there.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And you have the lidar
Mm-hmm.
scanner.
Uh-huh.
That's good for take pictures by night like that.
Oh,
have,
okay.
You can see better the guy in front of the picture. And
There you go. So there's a lot of aspects of this one that we're going to show you and tell you. So this one comes with the gray, white, black, and Pacific blue.
Yeah.
So we love Pacific blue so much. We love blue in general anyway. So that's why we opted out with this one. So, yeah.
Just I think the only thing we need to do now is to invest for protection. We don't
Yes, so we just need to do the protection for this one, like the cover and the case. So ta-da! We got two, one for my baby and one for me. So this is our early Christmas gift, I should say.
So what's the conclusion?
The conclusion.
I don't need to have any hope for Christmas.
So yeah, no more gifts for during Christmas, right? Just kidding. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. We will update you for how nice this Apple Pro Max
12 Pro
12
Max.
Pro Max is all about. So yeah, and thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching.
And don't forget to watch our next video in 1 week for see if we like or not this
Yes,
phone.
this is
sure,
huge and heavy. So yeah, hello. So thank you very much. Bye.
Bye-bye.